Today we're working on 3.8. It's kind of a blend of area and perimeter. A blend. We're blending today. So, what is the perimeter of this shape? So, 3 across the top. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So perimeter is 10, and area is going to be 3 times 2, which is 6 units squared. Let's look at the next question. Okay. So we have a rectangular court. Find the area and the perimeter. So that's, you guys know how to do that. B asks, a strip of tape will be placed around the court. Which measure would be used to find the amount of tape needed? B. 8. So if you were to, if this is a basketball court and you put tape all the way around the court, would that be area or perimeter? Perimeter. And the court will have a wood floor. Which measure would be used in finding the amount of wood needed? That is an area question. Thank you. Okay, number 3. We have 2 rectangles attached to each other. What is the area of the light rectangle? It would be x times 4, which we would probably just put 4x. What's the area of the dark rectangle? 7 and 4. So 28 units squared. Okay. Now, B asks, give the area of the entire figure in 2 different ways. So if we want the area of the entire shape, then we can just add the area from each shape. So one answer would be 4x plus 28. And that is calculated by doing the area of the little one and the area of the big one and adding them together. How else could you do that? What could you do other than adding the areas? You can add the sides. So this side here is x plus 7. So we could say 4 times x plus 7. And you'll notice those are actually the same thing, right? So if I list it this way or if I list it this way, they really are the same value, because if I distribute that, I get 4x plus 28. So you can either calculate the areas and add the areas together, or you can add the side together and then calculate the area that way. Okay, and we'll do number 4. Dion wants to plant grass in his backyard. His backyard is the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 32 and its width is 21. Suppose each pack of seeds covers 12 square feet. How many packs of seeds does he need to cover the backyard? So first we need to figure out the size of the backyard. And if it's 32 by 21, we just multiply those together. And that gives us 672 square feet. Now what do we do? Well, we know that one seed pack covers 12 square feet, and I cross off the feet. So if you're not sure, do I multiply or do I divide? Just use our unit analysis trick. We know every one seed pack is enough to cover 12 square feet. So that would be 672 divided by 12, and I get 56 packs. Okay. What if the answer was, let's say it was 24.8 packs? Then we would have to buy 25. Right? What if it was, so we would, 24.8, we're going to round it up. What if it was 21.1? You still round it up. Why? If you round down, you're going to have one little tiny section of grass that didn't get planted. Yeah, it'll work itself out. You're right. That's what I keep telling myself about my lawn. Someday it'll look good. Okay. A rectangular yard measuring 30 by 48 is bordered by a fence. Inside a walk that is 4 foot wide goes all the way along the fence. Find the area of this walk. So we have a yard that is 30 by 48. And then there's a walkway inside of it. Where does that walkway go? So we measure 4 feet on the inside, and then we put that all the way around. Okay. So what area does it want? Does it want this area or this area? Well, read the problem. It tells you. It wants the area of the walkway. Okay, so that red area. How are we going to figure that out? Good. So how long is this right here? Less than 30, good. 22. How'd you get 22? Right, this is a 4, and this is a 4, so this would be 22. Okay, how big is this? 40, because there's four extra feet on the top and 4 extra feet on the bottom. Okay, now what do I do? So 48 times 30. Let me calculate that. That is 1440 square feet. And then the area of the inside, 40 times 22, is 880 square feet. Now what should I do? So 1440 minus 880 is 560. Okay. That might be our last one. Let's look. Yep. Okay. Get to work.